have decided to add tariffs to this channel. I'll be collecting my tax now.
What the hell is this? Stand! Are you dumb?
What do you think? More watch time, more revenue? Watching your skit already taxes my IQ. A 30-second wait funnier than your jokes. My favorite part of your video is the black screen after it finished. Believe me, the scrolling suggested feels so low. Inflation couldn't bring it. Why are you pulling something so dumb? As the CEO of the channel, I thought it was time to, start increasing profits.
You think the stock market trades free, but
Valuation lower than my hot toy.
Why you still 5'9"?
I'm not 5'9", I'm 5'10", I'm 11. You put this tax on, they gonna unsubscribe. What?
You think Wall Street smell?
Dow Jones, Indiana Jones. Sorry to break it to you, but Warren Buffett isn't an all-you-can-eat restaurant. Hedge funds are not gardeners, and a bull market doesn't sell beans. Yeah, I don't know about the last one. This video is so cooked, it made the unskippable ad look like cinema.
Guess what happened when your financial advisor is TikTok fandom? Tax is not a real.
Only thing you know about economics is
20 million subscribers can't get
they got me. Tax equal view plus subscriber over 11 hubs and spike.
Only thing he ain't is McDonald's.
What the hell?
What the heck? Who moving the
Somebody trying to scare me? The only thing scary about this is the monetization. Emotional damage!
What the hell? How the world you shooting for? Are you done with all the pictures? Look at the show and leave everything just in. I didn't know I got a force at home for failure. You think you're safe?
What your dimension to get to school? Oh, what you gonna do next? Trip over the back? Useless.
表神如得到我靠唔到學生嚟，我要聽到佢俾佢啲共唱條彈，我就做完佢一直望得望完。
What the hell is that you? Don't be magician, you don't go to roulette table, you come to my house.
So it was always about power.
What the hell? You want some toast? Here's a sponge.
Go do some dishes.
Where you think you're going? Did I say you can leave? Go do the dishes.
I will send you to Jesus.